Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some more weighing of some S10 parts. Today I have a factory radiator support, still has the crash bumpers on everything. I have a factory bumper with actually a hitch ball in it. I don't feel like removing it because it's going to end up getting thrown or sold. But I also have an S10 bumper and a Sonoma bumper to see if there's any difference between the two at all. I'm not guessing, maybe a pound or two, because if you notice there's some brackets. But figured I'd get some weighting on there because I know there's some companies and some people making the radiator aluminum supports and some people making the fiberglass bumpers like Racer's Edge. I know they're making them. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'll weigh it. I got some the bigger scales here instead of the little ones because the bumpers aren't going to be able to fit on the little scale I normally use. We got a full digital, so we'll keep going there. All right, they're zeroed out. Let's go ahead and get the factory rear bumper out because half people take the roll pans, throw roll pans on these things. You know, roll pans probably weigh a couple pounds. I'm guessing this thing probably quite a bit of weight. So let's go ahead and weigh it, see what it gets out. I do still have the brackets and everything on it. Let's make sure they ain't hitting nowhere. All right, we are actually at a total of 50 pounds. So that's your total for the rear bumper, complete with bracketry, 50 pounds. Again, that's pretty heavy. So me, I scrapped mine, put a roll pan on it, which, I mean, that's what most people do. It just looks so much better. Let's go ahead and get this out. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and jump to the factory S10 bumper. I do still have both brackets that hook to your frame rail on this. Pick it up, make sure it's zeroed out. Okay, zeroed out. Total of 27 pounds. So that's the factory S10 bumper, all bracketry. Sonoma one actually does feel a little lighter. Okay. Total 26 pounds for the 26 pounds for the Sonoma front bumper. This one actually has, if you look, the brackets are a little bit thinner. They're a different make than what the S10 one was, so that's probably the difference in any weight, which isn't much at all. But if you're thinking about going to a fiberglass bumper, it's probably going to save you money and weight, or save you weight, not money, because you don't have this heavy-duty support in the back behind it. Now all this, none of these has the foam in them that they do have. Now we're gonna go on to the factory core support. This is off the Sonoma, off an 02 second gen Sonoma. Again, like I said, it's unmodified, uncut, has all the bracketry on it still. I know for a fact that they make an aluminum one. I'll put a link in there to a Facebook that they sell it on. And I know for a fact it is 6 pounds. roughly around there. It's an aluminum one. It's supposed to be amazing. I plan on getting one for this, but let's get this one, wait and see what it is. You're gonna be difficult, aren't you? Actually, all right. All right, total 29 pounds for the factory radiator support. Does have rust. I mean, I still got the plastic brackets on it for the headlights, the hood latch, even the hood rail. So that's going to save you roughly 20 pounds just to get an aluminum one. Again, I'll try to find the link, drop it below for one of these. But that's basically just a quick short video of what the bumpers are going to weigh on these, because I know people have asked, people are wondering. So there you guys go. I will have a lot more videos coming up soon, waiting for parts to show up. I got a couple parts that just got delivered today. I'm gonna do a video on that. I'm actually gonna weigh them out for the roll cage, and we'll do an in-depth video on that. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like, the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.